Hi all, welcome back to the channel. I've been using this noise Colorfit Pulse for an year. It's a great watch, very cost effective, available in Indian market, and currently there is a sale going on for under 1000 rupees even. There is a new Bluetooth calling model which is available for 1499. But that's not what I'm talking about. So I've been using this watch for a while, almost a year, and the strap has been broken. Now it's very easy for me to just buy another watch and then throw it. I'm not somebody who want to discard things like this which is working. So what I did is I went ahead and bought this Amazon Basics smartwatch strap, which I will be replacing the old strap with. So in terms of specs, it's not really mentioned for Colorfit Pulse, but it is mentioned for Colorfit Pro 2. Let's see if it fits. It's a risk, so I bought it for 269. The MRP is listed as 599. It's from Amazon Basics, of course, so that's one of the reason I bought it. Let's see if I can change it. So I'm going to show you also to change it, again assuming this is all fitting well. That's a risk, but let's see. Okay, so that's a strap. Now let's compare it. Looks like it's the correct size itself. Now to change this, it's very easy. So it's not like the old watch style where you have to break open the spin. Here there is a latch, you just press it down, it comes off. Same way I do for the other side. And I need to do a bit of cleaning, it's been a while. Okay. Now take out the new strap. So the new strap looks very good. Now make sure you use the same orientation what it was before. So it was like this for me, so I'm going to put it back the same way. Pull the latch down. I'm going to pause the camera a while I try it. So off the camera, I pulled out the older pin. In fact, it was not fitting, and the orientation is wrong. So I should be fitting like this. Okay, and then try it like this. Okay, so it was not exact size what I had feared. So what I did was I pulled out the older pin from here and then used it here. So that's what I did. So I have to do on the other one as well, and then I'm good to go. So I fitted one of it, and same way I'm going to fit the other one. So I'm going to pull out this pin. Just have to push it to one side and then twist it. It'll come off. So those are the new pins. I'm going to take the other one, which is my older strap. So again, do the same way. Let it go in the same way, so it should be underneath. Okay, so I fitted the other one as well. Now onto the watch. Try the same way. Pull it down, align it until it clicks in place, and you are good to go. So back onto the hand. That's it. All good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this. I will be uploading every product which I buy from Amazon like the same way. If you want to look at the links for this product or the strap, check out the descriptions in the under the video. If you have more questions, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching.